Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay with Clearpay on Amazon. Let's get started. First, visit amazon.com on your website. Sign in your account if you haven't already. Browse Amazon and find the item you want to purchase. Click Add to Cart. Once added, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options. Look for Clearpay, also known as Afterpay in some regions. Then select Clearpay as your payment method. Log into your Clearpay account when prompted. Then click Use this payment method. Follow the instructions to finalize your payment. Clearpay is only available in certain regions. If you don't see the option, it may not be supported in your country. Some regions may offer Zip or other buy now pay later alternatives. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.